All right, Mr. Ball here with a screencast-o-matic presentation. I want to go through the changes that are going to be happening on Monday when we're back 100% on site with schedules at the middle school level. So first and foremost, all students, and this will be posted both as you walk into the main entrance and then as you turn the corner in the middle school. Monday, or I should say next week, will be a Wednesday 1. Next week will be a Wednesday 1. So, 6th graders, I'm going to give you an example of a 6th grade schedule. The thing that you really need to pay attention to is 6th period. So if you look at this student's 6th period, on Monday, Wednesday 1, which next week is a Wednesday 1, which means that this student would have this course on a Wednesday 1, Friday, and then alternate 6th period course is Tuesday, Wednesday, 2, Thursday. So this student, knowing that it's a Wednesday 1 next week, is going to have study hall on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and then PE on Tuesday, Thursday. Now, the week of October 12th will be a Wednesday 2. So that week, things would rotate. This student would have PE on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and would have study hall on Monday, Friday. 6th graders, you need to pay attention to who you are assigned to for study hall. Up until this point, while you were in the hybrid, unless you were in band, you went to PE about every day. Actually, every day you were here, you went to PE. That will no longer be the case starting on Monday, October 5th. You need to pay attention to who you're assigned to for study hall. And then also the days that you are, whatever it is that you have on Wednesday 1, and then whatever you have on Wednesday 2. Ask your teachers, ask me if you have questions. So I'm going to show you another 6th grade schedule. This 6th grade schedule has a student that is in band. Looking at 6th period again, Monday, Wednesday 1, and Friday, this student is going to attend band. As I said earlier, the week of October 5th will be a Wednesday 1 week, or a W1 week. So this student is going to have band on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Then they will have PE on Tuesday, Thursday. The week of October 12th, it's going to switch. That's a Wednesday 2 week. So during a Wednesday 2 week, this student would have PE Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and band on Monday and Friday. That's the 6th grade schedule. 6th graders, if you have questions, ask your teacher, ask me. Now we're going to move on to 7th and 8th grade. So we've got a 7th grade schedule. 4th period and 8th period are the two periods that you need to pay attention to, 7th and 8th graders. So looking at this student, again, picking out the Wednesday 1 class. So for next week, the week of October 5th, this student is going to have PE on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And then on Tuesday and Thursday, they will have health. The following week, we'll flip. Health will be Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. PE will be Monday, Friday. You have to pay attention to whether it's a Wednesday 1 or a Wednesday 2 week. Now looking at 8th period. Band is always going to be on Monday and Friday. Choir is always going to be on Tuesday, Thursday. Next week's a Wednesday 1 week, so students are going to have band Monday, Wednesday, Friday. If they're in band, they're going to have choir on Tuesday and Thursday. Then it's going to rotate the next week. Looking at another 7th grade schedule, this student is in choir, but not in band. So when you look at this schedule, again, Monday, Wednesday 1, Friday for PE. Next week's a Wednesday 1. Student's going to have PE Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And then health on Tuesday and Thursday. It's going to rotate the next week. Looking at 8th period. Next week is a Wednesday 1. This student is going to have study hall on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And then on Tuesday and Thursday, the student's going to go to choir. Going to rotate the next week. That's a Wednesday 2 week. The last schedule that I will show you is an 8th grade schedule. Again, paying attention to periods 1 and period 8. This student isn't in band or choir, so they know they're going to go to study hall every day. Wednesday 1 and Wednesday 2 doesn't matter. But if you look at first period, this student is a Monday, Wednesday 1, Friday health student. The week of October 5th is a Wednesday 1 week. So therefore, this student's going to have health on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and then PE on Tuesday and Thursday. The week of October 12th would then be a Wednesday 2 week. So the week of October 12th, this student would have health on Monday and Friday, and PE on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. When you walk into school, you're going to see this sign. It's kind of hard to see, but it says students who have PE on Mondays and Fridays will go to PE on Wednesday this week. And in the back, students who have PE on Tuesdays and Thursdays will go to PE on Wednesday this week. This is going to be what you're going to see to designate whether it's a Wednesday 1 or a Wednesday 2 week. And it's going to be hanging on the wall as you walk in the main entrance, and then it'll be hanging again once you get into the middle school. If you have questions or concerns about how things are going to go with next week, again, ask your teachers, ask me, but prepare for the changes that are going to be happening now that we're 100% on site. Go Huskies.